Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Today, we're diving into something that honestly feels like the start of a new era in AI ChatGPT Atlas. This is OpenAI's brand new browser that combines ChatGPT with real time web browsing. And once you see what it can do, especially for e commerce, you'll realize how powerful this update really is. So make sure to watch till the end because we're also going to explore agent mode, which literally lets ChatGPT control your browser and take actions automatically. Alright, let's jump right in. So think of Atlas as Google Chrome plus ChatGPT combined into one. It's not just a plugin or extension, it's a complete browser built by OpenAI where ChatGPT is natively integrated. That means no more switching between tabs, copying links, or juggling two windows. Whatever website you're on, ChatGPT is right there on the right hand side, ready to help. So, right now it's available for Mac users, but OpenAI has already confirmed Windows, iPhone, and Android versions are coming very soon. So go to chatgpt.com/atlas. I'll put the link in the description below. And once you're here, click on download for macOS. So I'm just gonna drag it in and let's open the application. So when you first install Atlas, it asks if you'd like to make it your default browser. If you do, it temporarily boosts your ChatGPT limits for file uploads, data analysis, image generation, and browsing. So it's a smart way of rewarding users for switching from Chrome or Safari to Atlas. So the interface looks and feels a lot like Chrome, so you won't feel lost, but with ChatGPT baked right into your daily workflow. So there are three big things that make Atlas stand out from any browser we've used before. So first is built-in ChatGPT sidebar. So wherever you go, whether you go to YouTube, AliExpress, Shopify, or your own website, ChatGPT stays visible on the right-hand side. So you can ask questions, get summaries, or even have it analyze the content that's right in front of you. So if you're researching a product, reading a competitor's site, or drafting copy, you can literally say, "Hey ChatGPT, summarize this page," and it understands the context of what's on screen. So this is a massive time saver because you no longer have to bounce between ChatGPT and a browser. So it all happens in one place. How amazing is that? Second is browser memory. So Atlas actually remembers your browsing history and context, not just the chat. So you can say something like, "What was that website I checked yesterday about travel bags?" And it will know. So this transforms ChatGPT into a true personal assistant that helps you recall sites, files, or projects you work on even days later. And the last one is agent mode. This is a game changer. This is the wildest part. Agent mode gives ChatGPT the ability to control your cursor and perform actions automatically. So now let's get to the fun part, how you can use Atlas for drop shipping and e-commerce. So you can use it for product research. Normally, product research takes hours, scrolling through listings, reading reviews, checking suppliers, but with Atlas, it's instant. Let's say you're on AliExpress and searching for Stanley Tumbler. So you can simply ask ChatGPT, summarize the top products, average prices, shared features, and most common complaints. And within seconds, it scans the page and gives you everything: average pricing ranges, what customers love, what they complain about, and even the sweet spot for pricing. You can then say, find the top 10 models with the best reviews, and at last does it automatically. So that's hours of manual product research done in a few clicks. You can also use Atlas for competitor analysis. So let's say you're studying Herbalife, a popular health brand. You can tell Atlas, analyze this site, what are their offers, pricings, upsells, tone, and customer benefits, then help me create a stronger offer. So Atlas will break down everything, how they position the product, and what kind of testimonials they're using. Then it builds a custom checklist for you to improve your own brand. So it might suggest things like add a transformation guarantee, show visible before and after results, offer digital bonuses or guides, emphasize subscription value. So within minutes, you've got a full competitor breakdown and a plan to make your own offer more persuasive. You can also use Atlas for copywriting and funnel building. So imagine you're creating a landing page for your coffee brand, like Coast Coffee, so you can ask ChatGPT right inside at last, read this page and help me write persuasive copy that highlights energy without jitters and natural ingredients. So it scans your site layout, identifies the hero section, benefit section, and transformation timeline, and writes professional section by section copy that fits your brand voice. So it's like having a personal copywriter right beside you, generating high converting text while you design your funnel. So Atlas can also help you with ad research and creative analysis. So if you open Facebook's ad library, you can ask Atlas to analyze the hooks and emotional triggers from these ads. So it will identify recurring patterns like emotion driven hooks, benefits, trust signals, and CTA styles. So this gives you clear insight into what kind of messaging and creative angles are performing best in your niche, so you can model successful ad structures for your own campaigns. Now let's come back to agent mode because it's the feature that truly changes the game. So you can literally say, go to Alibaba, find three suppliers for Stanley Tumbler with top ratings, long experience, and low prices. So ChatGPT will open Alibaba, type your search, browse results, and compile supplier data, including names, years in business, ratings, and prices per unit. So when it's done, it presents a full, clear report comparing all three. You can even ask it to download or screenshot the findings. And the best part, you didn't lift a finger. So it's like having a virtual assistant that understands your goals and executes them. So for product sourcing, this is next level. No more manual supplier hunting or spreadsheet comparison. So ChatGPT Atlas is not just another browser, it's a complete AI workspace. From product research to writing copy, from analyzing competitors to finding suppliers, every part of the e-commerce process can now be automated or optimized. So if you're an e-commerce entrepreneur or digital marketer, Atlas isn't just a cool upgrade, it's going to become one of your most valuable tools. So what do you think? If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Introducing Calcy, breakthrough AI telephony app. Human-like AI telephone agents work 24/7 to land you more sales, appointments, and grow your profits without manual effort. Calcy offers real time voice for real conversations. Calcy becomes an expert on your business in minutes. Feed in your calling scripts and FAQs. Choose the perfect voice to represent your brand. Speaks to your prospects in any language. Quality and warm up prospects. Book appointments. Create reminders. Conduct surveys. Handle incoming calls. Calcy can do instant calls with custom agenda. Reach global phone numbers. Great for scheduling options. Keeps call transcripts for your review. Calcy can send SMS with purchase links. 100% compliant with cold calling and DND regulations. Create multiple campaigns for specific businesses and call outcomes. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Calcy now. Just go to getcalcy.in.